some reason, some of you Harley owners, look, there's another one. They were on the yellow line. So if you're on your Harley Davidson and you're riding on the yellow line and they're riding on the yellow line, and then I have to read about you on Facebook that you got in an accident or killed in the mountains. And somehow they'll spin it that it was your fault. So stay away from the yellow line. And let me tell you, the people that are driving on the yellow line, they're the locals. They were never taught how to drive. They were never taught what the solid yellow line means. And their uncle cousin is the local state trooper, so he's not going to write him a ticket for it. Place makes pipe benders. To me, it's amazing that people still buy pipe benders. And we have a rafting place. This is where the turtle was. We have a rafting place right here. I don't know how well they're doing with rafting and antiques, but I hope they succeed. I like it when mom and pop, small owned businesses make it. It's hard nowadays. Alright, we come around the corner. Here we are. Downtown Warne, North Carolina. This first place on the left was called Hogsheads. It might still be. It was an amazing store 15 years ago. You wouldn't know it from looking at it. It was an amazing place. Then you got your Dollar General Market. Dollar General Market, Warne, North Carolina. Got a car wash that hasn't run in 10 years. Storage units, because you can't have too many storage units. Volunteer fire department. They even got a little tiny post office for the 10 people that live here. They have a convenience store. There's typically a cop that sits at that convenience store. And now we're out of Warne, North Carolina. There's a mountain up in those clouds. Maybe one day I'll ride a motorcycle during the daytime so you can see it. There's the trash guy. better if you didn't have to look at the back end of a Ford. Now this turn you gotta be careful because that guy's driveway washes out into the road. This is pretty cool right here on the right. So take a look at this. This is a body shop, and he put like a little gas station out front. Don't stop there for gas. That is the cool thing about some of the body shops, the older body shops that are owned and run by baby boomers. They have that nostalgic 50s, 60s gas stations. I grew up in the 70s and 80s. Man, let me tell you, life was better then. Life was better in the 90s. It wasn't a world full of political nonsense like it is now. That guy's got a car collection. People would stop short-circuiting their brain with nose rings, wasting their money on tattoos, and maybe put that into a Roth IRA. Save some money for the future instead of drinking it all away or smoking weed. I'm talking to you, Methany. The police. Radar detector's going off.